In this video, let me show you how to use the Binance P2P to buy crypto. If you're trying to figure out how to use Binance P2P in order to purchase crypto, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Now, before you can do this, make sure you have completed the KYC and your account is verified. Once you've done that, you just need to head over to the assets section and then just tap on the add funds option that is visible. Add funds, you'll be able to see the option which says P2P Trading. You can just tap on this option and then head over to the P2P option again, which is visible on the top. Now, this way you'll be able to see all of the active ads from verified sellers. You need to get all of the information. So to do that, you can just tap on one of these ads that are currently visible and you can take a look at all of the information that you need. If you're trying to change up the cryptocurrency, you can also do that. You can just tap on the cryptocurrency that is currently available. Just tap on this option. And you can choose from a different cryptocurrencies that you can buy within the P2P section. So let's say if you're trying to buy Bitcoin, tap on the Bitcoin option and all of the Bitcoin ads will start to populate. You can also filter out using the amount that you're trying to buy, or as well as the payment methods that you are willing to use. This way your filters or your ads are going to be narrowed down so that only those ads will be available that are suitable for you and suitable for these criteria that you have selected. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. Just tap on the buy option right here and then place your order. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.